Hello guys, what is up? In this video we are going to show you how to send crypto from Paymaya. Now there are a couple ways to do this. So we are in the Paymaya homepage in our phone, and if you want to send crypto or pretty much just sell crypto and then send the money to your bank account, it's very easy. So what you want to do is tap on the crypto icon over here like so, and you'll be brought to the crypto page. Like as you can see here, we have some really microscopic amount of crypto that we have. We have Bitcoin, which is, we're up 73 bucks, and we have Tether, which is down, right? So how do you send crypto? There are two ways to define this. Send is just send crypto to another wallet, or just to sell the crypto and then send the money to your bank account. So for example, we go to Tether right here. And here, as you can see in the bottom of the screen, you have buy, sell, send, and receive. Now, if you click on send, it says under maintenance, we're updating the feature for you. So that means at this moment, this is not available in Paymaya, or Maya, as it is now called. The only option you have is to sell it. So for example, let's just tap sell. And let's say you want to sell 25% of it. 25% of it, right? Click continue. And then sell now. It's on this way. So that's 14.50, and as you can see, it is official. You have sold 25% of the USDT that we had, and you even have sold, as you can see here, and click done. So how do you send the money now to your bank account? It's very easy. As you can see here, we have 15 bucks added to our wallet. So to do this, all you need to do is tap on bank transfer and just choose the bank account that you want. And just for example, let's go to like this one. Just put everything, all the information you have, and just send it. It's very easy. So that's how you send crypto from Paymaya. Again, like the actual send feature is not available yet, but that's the best alternative. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.